Hello and welcome to my channel, Carla in California. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing some tasty and healthy recipes that are full of protein. That's the good stuff that helps us feel strong and awesome. Guess what? I lost 100 pounds and I'm super excited to share my tips with you. If you need a friend to cheer you on your weight loss journey, you're in the right place. Hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you're the first to know when I drop some positive vibes. So for our first recipe is our baked chicken with the spicy Asian sauce. The secret to this recipe is the Asian sauce. For this, you're going to need 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of chili sauce or roasted hot peppers, 2 teaspoons of sesame oil, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Then just roast the peppers in the oven, cook the sugar and other ingredients on the stove, bring to a boil to dissolve the sugar. Then let it cool and blend in with the food processor or a blender. This can be put in the freezer safe bags or store in the freezer or use over meat, rice, or veggies. And for our next recipe, food family, whether you're on a weight loss journey or just love delicious food, these Italian meatballs are a game changer. Packed with protein and bursting with flavor, you won't believe that they're bariatric friendly. You will need lean ground turkey, or you can use hamburger meat or ground chicken if you like. Finely chopped vegetables, I used onion and garlic. Italian herbs, I used basil, oregano, and parsley. I put 2 eggs in it because I have those chicken eggs that are really good. You can make homemade sugar-free tomato sauce. I used the Primal Kitchen ketchup that was sugar-free. Then you just mix your meat and herbs and other ingredients in a bowl, form into bite-sized meatballs, then bake until golden brown and cook through. Then you just add your tomato sauce on top and that's it. You have a guilt-free delight. For our next recipe, I tried this amazing bariatric friendly pot roast recipe that's both delicious and nutritious. Perfect for a hearty, guilt-free meal. This recipe can be made in the crock pot or roasted in the oven, and it can be meal prepped and frozen in the freezer for later. For our next recipe today, we have these cottage cheese taco bowls, which are one of my favorites, fueling my body with a burst of flavor and goodness. Tried these bariatric friendly cottage cheese taco bowl and it's a game changer, packed with protein, veggies, and all the tasty goodness minus the guilt. What's your favorite healthy twist on a classic dish? Drop your ideas below. And thank you for watching this video. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.